Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm Greg and this is Big Blue. I'm here to talk about LASFIT's products. As you can see, I have a few obvious ones right there and a couple others that I've thrown on in the 2 years that I've owned my truck. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button. As I walk you through, give me that like and comment below. Let me know what LASFIT products you have for your vehicle. As you guys can see, these lights are very bright. The quality of lighting and the response from the LED turn signals are insane. They are so much better than the stock halogens. I don't know why Chevy threw them in there in the first place, but great quality light. They look good. They look more orange. They're not as dim. And that 32-inch LED bar, I mean, really, I could drive with that. I have it tilted ever so slightly towards the ground, as you see, so it's not gonna blind anybody, even though the truck is lifted. And then the 3-inch HP pods up top. They turned out great. I love them. Quick, easy install. As you guys see, I finally got some lighting. The warehouse just turned some lights on, so maybe they saw me out here recording and they thought they'd help me out. But it looks great. I love them. I will show you the reverse lights as well as the license plate lights. Thank my wife right there for starting the truck up for me. But look how bright these reverse lights are. Much brighter than stock. As you see, let me step back a ways, you could just see how bright they are compared to your normal halogen bulbs. And also look towards the license plate there. I have the license plate bulbs in there as well from LASFIT. These must be motion sensor, they're catching me. But perfect lighting as you're backing up compared to the stock halogen bulbs. I love them, guys. They make such a great quality product, and then these just stand out so much better. Again, here's the front. So if you guys want to get your own products from LASFIT, I'm also going to show you the floor mats here. You want to get your own products, remember 20%, use Blue Boss, discount code Blue Boss for 20% off. I'll put that link down below and I'll also post it up here on the screen. Here's the interior with the floor mats. They fit perfectly, hugging around each and every bend and corner. Gotta love them. I think they look darker than the stock Z71 mats as well. Not to mention they're more rubber-like instead of hard plastic. So they're very easy to clean and maintain. Couldn't ask for anything better, guys. Well, that's a wrap, guys. Pretty quick, easy video. I'm just going over an awesome product. LASFIT has been great to me as far as customer service as well. Answering questions, concerns I had with some of my installs. My videos, like I said, I tag those throughout the video. If you can't find them there, I will also post them in the description down below. You can find out how to install the 32-inch LED bar, and as well as the pod lighting up top. And I also have the video where I installed and threw in my floor mats, but that's a quick, easy process. Before I started a YouTube channel in 2021, one of the first things I did was put in the LED turn signals, the reverse bulbs, as well as the license plate bulbs. So I don't have anything to show you how to do that, but pretty easy process. You got to get the lighting out, the tail lights out, and actually replace the bulb. Quick, easy, quarter turn, they pull right out. Same with the license plate bulbs, but you got to come up under the bumper. They have pretty good instructions of how to as well do all this on their page. So again, Thanks for tuning in, guys. Quick, easy video. Make sure you get your LASFIT products. And again, use discount code BLUEBOSS to save 20% on your vehicle. I love mine. I wouldn't have it any other way. I love their stuff. Great quality product. Very durable as well. They show an awesome video on the HP pods where they're just beating the crap out of them and they still work. So make sure you guys get yours and hit me up down below and on Instagram. Let me know what you have from LASFIT for your truck. Take care, guys. I'll see you next time.